Are you behind on reconciling your fundraising activity due to too many manual processes? You may be doing more work than necessary. We can improve that. You have the ability to map your systems together through integration using Razor's Edge NXT and Financial Edge NXT. We map those two solutions so information can flow naturally from fundraising into finance. Let me show you how it's done. It all starts with Razor's Edge NXT, then flows into Financial Edge NXT via a journal entry like what you're seeing now. You have the ability to choose whether you post in detail or summary. I prefer detail. However, if you are an organization with a lot of activity, you may prefer to post in summary. I have the ability to retain my batch number for future reference, so it is right there in my journal reference, as you can see. For me, as a former customer, this was an immediate reconciliation thread between Financial Edge and Razor's Edge. It made reconciliation so much easier. I also have the ability to make any adjustments in real time. If I see something incorrect, I can immediately adjust it, making sure Razor's Edge stays up to date and current. But I don't have to do it manually or try to find it many weeks down the road. Once I have posted my journal entry to the general ledger, I can access the information, and I can also very easily match it to my bank activity. We do that via the post date. Post date for me always matched my actual bank deposit date, so it is within your control. When I am in one of my bank accounts, that particular journal entry batch is right there. I filtered by my batch number, that's why we're only seeing the one batch, but I do have the ability now to interact with the information as the month goes on. I don't have to wait until I'm actually sitting down to do reconciliation. I could also utilize my bank feed capability and do a matching exercise where the system will put my bank feed and my bank register side by side. It will automatically match and clear activity for me. If I have a high volume of activity, Financial Edge NXT will expedite the process, so there's no need for hand matching every transaction. The system will do it for me. Though if I do see something incorrect, I can immediately do an adjustment right then and there and keep everything up to date. The reconciliation process is very straightforward in Financial Edge NXT. As you can see, it's a step-by-step process. And at the end of this, I just finalize it, and it creates a reconciliation report that many auditors have you keep on hand just to show you are indeed being timely with your reconciliation. Keep this in mind as you think through your current reconciliation process and how this can be made better. Because of the bank feed, I don't have to wait until month end to clear out all of my activity. I can spread the work throughout the month, clear it as it actually clears the bank, and then at month end, reconciliation can be much faster. Hopefully you can see how the automation Financial Edge NXT provides makes a great deal of improvement within the bank reconciliation process and helps keep our systems up to date.